Shein affiliate program in a tutorial step-by-step guide. Now, there are a lot of factors for you to be able to earn on Shein and join their affiliate program. But what I'm going to be covering up for this video is just a very basic part for you to earn and join the affiliate program on Shein. So of course, launch your Shein application and make sure that you have a working account with Shein. Now to join the affiliate program, just head directly to the Me tab at the lower right portion of your screen, and then just simply choose on affiliate. So this is where you will be signing up to join, share, and earn with your affiliate program. So for new affiliates, it's going to be around 280 pesos, depending on your currency reward. So that's your welcome gift plus first referral gift. So for succeeding referees, you'll get up to 20% commission per order by a new or existing user. You can also sign up with one of their partner platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and X Twitter. So just head over directly to the very bottom part of this page and then just go to start earning. Now just simply tick the small boxes right here to fully understood the privacy and policy of the affiliate program. And then just simply scroll down once again and choose to confirm your eligibility. So let's say, for example, we will be choosing a social media account for us to have a followers on the Shein app. Let's try choosing on Instagram. And once that specific friend of yours just access your link and will order something directly from the link that you sent out, you will actually earn from it. So it's around 20% commission depending on the order that they placed. So those are the very basic part of the Shein affiliate program on tutorial step-by-step guide.